SQL versus NoSQL? Is RDBMS dead? When to use what? Interview prep. First, RDBMS is not dead. It will exist for a very long time. Think RDBMS like a table with row and columns. Instead of tables, NoSQL databases are document-oriented. A key can define a document, and value can be a long text file. SQL databases are vertically scalable. NoSQL databases are horizontally scalable. In the world of database technology, there are two main types of databases: SQL and NoSQL. The difference speaks to how they're built, the type of information they store, and how they store it. A SQL is a relational database, consists of two or more tables with columns and rows. Each row represents an entry, and each column sorts a very specific type of information, like a name. For a relational database to be effective, the data you're storing in it has to be structured in an organized way. NoSQL databases have dynamic schemas for unstructured data. They can be column-oriented, document-oriented, graph-based, or organized as a key value store. You can create documents without having to first define their structure. Each document can have its own unique structure. You can add fields as you go. In a relational database system, you must define a schema before adding records to a database. In contrast, a document-oriented database contains documents, which are records that describe the data in the document, as well as the actual data. 2 reasons to use SQL. You need to ensure ACID compliance. Your data is structured and unchanging. 2 reasons to use NoSQL. Storing large volumes of data that often have little to no structure. Tinkering around with rapid development. Hashtags SQL, NoSQL, RDBMS. SQL versus NoSQL? Is RDBMS dead? When to use what? Interview prep.